Morning YouTube family. So today I want to share something that I discovered with you that simplified my life and the life of a few other people that I was able to help with this tool in their situation, and they were very grateful. So I want to first of all show you the tool that I'm referring to. Switch the camera. This little gadget I'll take it out in a second, but if you look carefully you will see that there are actually two different sizes. I'll take it out so you can see it. Okay, here we go. So what we have are two rubber screws. You can see that clearly. There we go. And they have a silicone base around it to seal once it goes into the hole. And what I discovered today as I was changing my daughter's tire is this bad boy. Now sometimes experts say if you don't know how deep it is, leave it in. But I'm actually in a position to attempt to repair it right away. So if it didn't go all the way in, then there's no work to do, but that looks like it's in there. So I'm gonna pull that out. Actually, we can test it right now and see if it's leaking. I have some soap water here. If there's enough air in there. Yeah, you see those bubbles? Oh, no, it stopped. That's the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Yeah, it is bubbling somewhere. I can't see it, but it is bubbling. Oh. Yeah, it's producing bubbles. Slowly. That's because there's not a lot of pressure in there right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out, and then what we're gonna do is the hole that remains, we don't make it bigger or anything, insert that rubber screw and screw it in to the surface of the hole, and then that's it. Job's done. 1 second. So it's not completely out yet. But now you can see it's really bubbling. Oh yeah. Can't do this with two hands. Ooh. It's in there. Oh yeah. Damn, that's longer than I thought. Holy. Look at the length of that bad boy. So now it's not hard to miss the hole. I'm going to take that screw and put it right in there. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. You can actually hear the air stop. Gushing right away. I'm gonna try to go in a little more, but first let's see. Try to put it in a little more. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, after a few trials and errors, I got it below the surface of the rubber. Now we're going to put some air and see if it holds up. Okay, so I just put it up the pressure there, and seems to be holding. And that's that. Save time and money. Eventually, with wear and tear, I probably have to do a proper patch, but it's a good temporary patch. So far, anybody that I've done a patch for hasn't come back to tell me, hey, my tire is leaking again. And I have two, one on the wife's car, one on my car. So far so good.